Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome back to Quickfire Tech. Today, we have a mind-boggling topic to discuss. What if our bones were made of iron instead of calcium and other minerals? Let's dive into this hypothetical scenario and explore the incredible consequences it would have on our bodies and overall health. First up, let's talk about the weight and density of our new iron bones. Iron is significantly denser and heavier than calcium, which means our bodies would become much heavier. Imagine the impact on our ability to move and function. We'd be less agile and more prone to fractures from even minor impacts. Next, flexibility. Iron is far less flexible than the minerals in our current bones. Calcium and other minerals provide a degree of flexibility essential for shock absorption and movement. Iron bones, being more brittle, would make us prone to breakages. Our bones play a vital role in blood cell production through the bone marrow. With iron bones, this crucial function might be compromised, leading to severe health problems related to blood production and immunity. Iron is essential for various metabolic processes, but excessive iron accumulation can lead to toxicity. With iron bones, we might face a constant risk of iron overload throughout the body, resulting in severe health problems. Lastly, consider the evolutionary implications. If humans had evolved with iron bones, our species might have adapted differently to these structural and physiological changes. It's intriguing to speculate how this might have shaped our development. In summary, if our bones were made of iron instead of calcium and other minerals, it would have profound and detrimental effects on our overall health, mobility, and bodily functions. Our current bone structure has evolved over millions of years to suit our specific needs as vertebrate animals. Any significant alteration to this structure would likely result in severe health consequences. Thank you for joining us on this intriguing journey into the world of science and hypothetical scenarios. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our future explorations. Until next time, keep asking questions and exploring the wonders of science. Goodbye.